Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I will teach you that how you can unfriend all your friends at once in just a single click. First of all, click on Facebook application and make sure you are logged in and also make sure you are using the latest version. First of all, click on this menu. So here you can see the friends option. Click on it and now click on your friends. So here is the list of friends. So There are there are two methods that can be done to unfriend your friends. For example, when I click on the three dotted line and if I click on unfriend or if I click on unfollow, then it will unfriend me. Unfortunately, Facebook has not given any options to unfriend all our friends at once. Although there are so-called scripts on internet that can remove all your friends at once. But here I am giving you the warning that if you use those scripts to unfriend all your friends, then there is a 100% chance that your Facebook account will be banned. Your Facebook account will be permanently removed from Facebook by Facebook authorities. So I am suggesting you that you can do unfriend one by one. But if you still insist that you want to unfriend all your friends at once, then you might delete your account and you can create another account and you can add new friends. This is the quickest way. So if you want to delete your account permanently, then you can watch other videos. You can watch videos on this topic in my channel. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.